Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you not only the croaky voice, going for the husky tones today, but also an epic unboxing that we pretty much have absolutely no idea what is in here.
We think we've joined together all the boxes that came in the same shipment, but there's starting to be a lot of boxes out the back. There's a couple of unboxings that we are waiting on. There's a couple of big unboxings that you needed backup for. So there's lots of boxes everywhere. So we think we've assembled all the ones that came from the same delivery, but we will see. So might be a little bit of chopping and changing as we go around. But
even within the delivery, we're not actually sure we know what's in here. So, all good fun, so yeah, this will be exciting for everyone.
Either way, we've got a wall of the stuff, so...
That's right, and it's definitely silver, because I haven't ordered that much gold, I can tell you.
Yeah, I like it down here. I do feel for our port table sometimes. It looks like we've got a bit of a classic box within a box scenario going on here. You getting sneak peeks as to what's in there?
Yeah, a little bit. These are very cool. All right, we have tubes of coins.
Awesome. Tubes of 20, based on the medallion style tubes there. And impenetrable to get into.
Ah, come on. Alrighty, so finally, after all the struggle,
got into it.
We are into it. Now, for those that haven't read the caption, because by this time I suppose we've realised where they're from, these are Golden State Mint.
Yes.
Now, Golden State Mint has a huge following, well, around the world, but in Australia and the States particularly. So the Silver Bullet, Silver Shield.
No,
series.
just Silver Shield.
Just Silver Shield these days. My apologies.
Yes,
you are correct.
So that's it. It was a duo, wasn't it?
It was.
And is split off. One took the took the bullet. One took the shield.
That's right.
And yeah, I think Silver Shield is definitely the one that's still doing things
going strong. So this is the Don't Tread on Me for 2024. So very much a part of the American psyche, this one.
Depiction of the Gadsden flag there from 1775.
Yeah, so a beautiful round.
Yes.
And then the classic Silver Shield emblems on the back and 2024.
Quite like it. You've got very simple and plain kind of, matter-of-fact statement on one side and then quite an intricate design on the other. So you kind of get the best of both worlds on this one.
You do. So we have those in, the Don't Tread on Me's from Golden State Mint.
And the 1 ounce silver.
And then, next box.
Yeah, there's only a few to go, Michael.
Yeah, that's right. I could be here a while, couldn't I?
I was going to say, we actually don't have any kind of identification on the outside of these boxes, besides these ones here looking a little differently shaped. But besides that, it's going to be a little bit of a guessing game to see how many types of things we've got in here.
So these are different ones.
There we go. We've done well.
So
imagine if we get the string of them. That'd be great. Just every single box. Things flying everywhere.
That's it. That's the way we like it.
It's not like we've got a stream to do, so it's fine.
We have a cleaning crew that comes in, don't we?
Yeah.
Sorts all that out.
No further comment.
Alrighty. So these ones are the bars, not the rounds.
And the 10 ounce variety by the looks of those.
They are 10 ounce bars. Oh, come on.
Just as fun to extract.
There we go. So we have the Den of Thieves there. Bar.
We've had these through before and they were very popular.
Yeah, these don't last very long when you can get hold of them there.
Hope we've got a few more this time.
I wouldn't hold your breath on that. They will go relatively quick. So you've got not federal, no reserve on one side with the Den of Thieves, and then over the page there you've got the Silver Shield, Friends, Skills, Wealth. Now they are a naked bar and they will have moved in transit, you can guarantee it. So you will see, it's perfectly normal to see these slight striations, if you like, and more markings on the bars.
Yep. I have seen bars like this before. We don't have any, just to put that out of the way, but I have seen people put them in some of those capsules and things like that, and they look absolutely stunning put into a capsule.
Alrighty, next box. 2 down.
2 down. Can we get
several more to go?
Yeah. Can we get a third type just straight in, no double ups? Now, one thing I did know that was coming through in this slot is we've also got the 1 ounce variety of that same
Den of
Den of
Thieves.
Thieves.
Yeah.
So we'll should see one of those coming through.
So this one, no, this is a new one.
Hey, all right, the streak continues.
Yeah, I'm making a mess here.
That's all right. All in the sake of a good unboxing.
Yeah, that's the one.
All's fair in love, war, and epic unboxings.
That's the rumour. Oh, another one of these. Might have to pause there while I find a way to get into the silly thing.
Masterfully extracted there. And what have we got for this one?
Liberty or Death. This is quietly one of my favourites.
We've got the, I think it was Patrick Henry, one of the founding fathers, in his speeches. Give me liberty or give me death. Very, very heavy anti-British sentiment in this unboxing. all very American revolutionary.
Yes. And as the son of a POM and married to a POM, not quite sure how to take that.
But still a very iconic and cool design on the ones we've looked at so far, and I'm sure it's still to come. So no, very, very cool.
They are a beautiful round. All right, let's see what's in the next box.
Aha! We have a different box.
We have a winner. Yeah, I'm getting the white stuff all over me.
To clarify,
Not the white powder.
We are talking about the foam of the unboxing. You've developed a technique there, and I like it.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's a bit of a high risk, high reward scenario. You pull one out. We haven't had them spill all over the desk yet, which is good.
Yet. Here we go. Against all enemies.
All right, we've got a bit of an operator there with the against all enemies, foreign and domestic, out of the US Oath of Office.
Yeah, I do love the way this one's in action. You've got the spent cartridges.
Yes,
flicking into the distance sort of thing. It's a great little round, this one.
I think I'm struggling to think. It's not very often we get a full. I mean, it's not an entire full body person there on the round, but it's not very often. We'll see a lot of heads and things like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, seldom do I see a full human body depicted. So yeah, a little bit interesting on that one.
There we go. So we've got those in.
Continue with the devouring of the wall, Michael.
Yes. Den of Thieves. We've had those, haven't we?
We have had Den of Thieves, but we are
These
looking
are 1
for
ounce.
the 1 ounce. Yes, awesome.
See what you get to do all day when you work here. Open boxes of all sorts of stuff that you've got no idea what it is.
It's made of something we know and like, though.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to highlight the pile you're making in the side there.
Must be a little bit like working at the post office, handling all sorts of parcels that you don't know what any of them are.
I don't know if I could do that job because the curiosity would get to me. I think after doing this job of now unboxing everything, it's just it's embedded in me. I see a box, I've got to unbox it.
Dear. Oops. Alrighty. Now this is different. This is a little 1 ounce bar. So the Den of Thieves. So much like its big brother. In a smaller version, and then over the page, I've done it like that, so slightly different.
Very cool. Also naked, and we will have to do some testing to see if they fit into some of the capsules.
That's a point. I just assumed they would, but you're probably right.
It's always good to check. So I will flash up on screen now the result of that testing for future Ruben to do. So yeah, we'll see. If they don't, I will also throw up the dimensions of them so you can chase up some as well.
Thieves, I have a feeling these may be all the same thing. So that may be the extent of the unboxing.
Cool. Exciting. Thieves. Lucky last box.
Den of Thieves, we are done.
We are done.
Woo.
Very cool. We've kind of decimated our table a little bit here.
We have.
Lots of cardboard everywhere.
We've got in stock the Against All Enemies, the Liberty or Death, and the Don't Tread on Me rounds. We also have the Den of Thieves bars in the 1 ounce and the 10 ounce. And as you can see, we bought a few, but we haven't bought bucket loads of them either. So they will come and go fairly quickly. So if they're in your budget, they're the sort of thing you want. And look, let's face it, they are that little bit different. You know, the Silver Shield stuff has a little bit of that rebel background behind it.
Definitely popular here in Australia. I think that there potentially a couple of Americans going, hang on a minute, you know, this isn't your history, this isn't your. But I think it does resonate with a few of our customers over here. So yeah, let us know if you enjoy this one in the comment section down below.
Absolutely, and we will see you again very, very soon.